how things can be created out of vibrations.
Such a theory would likely show the origin of all forces emanating from perhaps one master force, and the origin of all particles emanating from perhaps one superparticle. It would be the ultimate answer to every question that asks why something is the way that it is. Do we have such a theory? No. But we have something that comes close to it, and it may give us a clue as to the true nature of reality. This is M-theory or membrane theory, which is a theory that unites all the consistent versions of string theory. M-theory brought all the string theories together by asserting that strings are really one-dimensional slices of a two-dimensional membrane vibrating in 11-dimensional space-time. This is a candidate for a theory of everything that many physicists support, and if true, it could represent the true nature of reality. Now, this theory has some problems though, like it predicts the existence of a subatomic particle called a graviton, which has not been detected so far. It also requires the universe to have up to 11 dimensions because the strings have to be able to vibrate in these number of dimensions in order for the theory to work mathematically. Then where are the other dimensions? We only see 3 spatial dimensions and 1 time dimension. Where are the other 6 to 7 dimensions required by this theory? String theorists say that these dimensions may be compactified on a very small scale. So for example, a rug looks two-dimensional from very far away, but close up you can see that it has a third dimension, a thickness, and it also has small loops and textures on its surface, similar to representing other potential dimensions. For example, if you go down to the scales that are closer to the scale of a Planck length, extra dimensions may be loops as shown on the grid here. Now imagine the loops being more complex shapes, like a Calabi-Yau manifold. This is a mathematical shape that can contain all of the 6 missing dimensions. Now imagine a string vibrating, not only in our 3 dimensions, but since strings can be really small, they can vibrate in these smaller dimensions as well. The way they vibrate determines the particles that they represent. One vibration can be a photon, another vibration can be gravity, another can be an electron or other form of matter. In string theory, the strings and their vibrations are affected by the geometry in which those strings are moving. The issue is that the shape of those extra dimensions is not known. But if it was known, then the mathematics of string theory could tell you exactly what the vibrations would be. And this would give us a theoretical basis for why the parameters are the numbers that they are. In other words, the shape of the extra dimensions may determine the exact magnitude of those parameters. And if these shapes were any different, then the numbers would be different, and the universe as we know it would not exist.